Hello friends, today I'm unboxing a Formula One car for you. The model is 27 years old. It's a McLaren Mercedes that Mika Hakkinen drove in 1997. The manufacturer is Minichamps. The scale is 1 to 43. I don't know how old you are, but this Formula One car reminds me of my childhood, where I watched every Formula One race. That were good times. I'm taking it out for the first time in 27 years. I'll show you a few details. First, from below. I don't know about you, but when I think of a Formula One car, I think of the models from this year. The entire car looks very good, very detailed. The decals are neatly attached. The driver. Only the helmet is well made. The rest of the body just looks crappy. It's a shame for such an expensive model. Now the rear and the cool spoiler. Look at the tire tread. It looks so real. Smooth as it should be. What do you say? Would you buy such a model?